everyone, welcome back to Rad Garage. I hope you can hear me all right. I have my infrared space ray heater just pumped up because it's a cold one here in Calgary. This is my spring break, but really it's winter break part 3. It's a Monday, and I've got a car that if you're a regular visitor to my channel, you'll recognize this RS5. It's a 2013 RS5 in black. It belongs to a friend named Dave. He's brought it to me today so that I can just give it a cleanup. This is his winter daily. I've never detailed this car with these wheels on it, so I'm going to take a bit of a different approach. These are a matte black satin finish, so I might use a different brush today on those. 7 months ago, I applied the Ethos graphene to this car, so I'm excited to see how that behaves when I give it a wash. I'll also be doing the interior, but I've decided I won't be filming that. It's just too much work. It just slows me down so much, especially on a car like this it's pretty tight in there, so getting the camera in there, it's just a little too difficult. So my apologies if you're hoping to see the interior, but I'll do some before and afters. All right, I think it's time to get started on this project. I hope you stick around. that project is a wrap. I gotta say, I was very impressed with how the Ethos graphene held up this winter. Like I said before, I did this car 7 months ago. I put a coating on it using Ethos graphene, and yeah, you'll see in the footage, I'm sure you already did, that it's still obviously very active and protective. So yeah, thank you to Tim and the team at Ethos. And look at this, Tim, I'm out of foam party. Jeez, I might need you to hook me up, but who knows. Anyways, thanks everybody for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep it locked here. I do have a 911 coming in this weekend I'm very excited about. And until next time, stay rad.